Hey guy, I'm not making a full video this time because I am not prepared. I woke up from a nap. I look a hot mess. But anyway, I'm going to be making some. This is a new dish that I came up with for food prep and for small catering events, or they could be kind of large too. I'm making some codfish cakes and plantains on skewers. Now, this one is not going to have the full recipe. I'm going to be making some more, so you see me guys put like other things on them as well. I'm still thinking what else I want to put on them. If I want to put fruit, if I want to put like mango or kiwi, I got to see which fruit would be the best to go with the codfish and the plantains on the skewers. So this is what I had the idea, so I'm going to make them first just this way, and then I'm going to make another batch, and I want you also to see that I'm going to make some sauteed okra sauteed. Well, okra is because it's plural, making more than one. So what I'm doing is, it's boiling. So I'm going to be, this probably was boiling about 20 minutes already. So really it's good. I like to leave a little bit of its natural salt in it so I don't have to really add salt, right? I just add all of the other spices. I'm going to chop it up in here. And I'm going to make a codfish batter, and the plantains will be last. I'm going to saute the plantains, or fry, whatever you want to call it. Saute just sounds more, fancier. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put them on here. Now, yes, peppers will be good to add. I think I have a few orange and yellow peppers, and I may have some green peppers left. So I may add a few of that on it as well, and I'm going to come back with the results. Okay, some more of my ingredients. A little lemon I'm gonna squeeze on the fish, my scallions, green pepper, orange pepper, onion. I shredded the codfish. We getting there. Okay, I chopped up all the peppers over here, the green peppers, the onions, the scallions. I'm about to mix everything up together. We about to mix. Okay guys, I added my plant-based butter and some olive oil. I'm heating it up. I got my batter. There's some other ingredients too that's in there. I ain't tell y'all.
I didn't make it a habit of putting sugar in my tuna. Sweet relish is
golden brown.
Sabrina is not that tight.
Got you. Plantains. Sauteing some okra. I'm gonna put some of those peppers on there when it's halfway done. Got some sauteed okra. Food to go. Okay, I am sauteing these okra. These are for the skewers. And then I have some that you saw me make, whole okras that I sauteed. Coming together. I am ready to start getting things together over here. Okay, guys, I hope you can see well. I am adding I have some codfish pieces right there. Now I was going to make these round. I meant to make them round. They'll be round next time. So I'm adding this on there. But what I first think, I want to add a codfish cake first. So I'm going to do that. And what I'm going to do is take a few pieces of okra. I decided to put okra on it the last minute again. This is new because I'm going to do it much faster. I'm just trying to show you how I'm trying to get this together. And I'm going to put some okras here, right? Now I'm going to add the plantain. I'm going to add, I got to figure out what to charge for this meal, honey, because this is going to be something special. This extra. This is extra. Now, like I said, you will make the plantains round so that way it's easy to pull off and it'll look nice and neat and pretty. But I say, you know what? I'm still going to show y'all anyway. But some people don't even care about that. It is like some good old sweet plantains. I meant to say make the plantains more round. I'm putting on the codfish cakes. Okay, y'all. Okay. Now, I will use a shorter skewer, but these are ones that I already had here, and I didn't want to prolong this. I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I said, nope, I'm going to just go ahead on and make it, because you get the idea. But yep, so I'm adding this to my crafty services, or just somebody I'm cooking for, chefing for, and they like to have this. By all means, this is what we're going to do. That's what we gonna do. Okay, plantain. Again, I would do it on smaller skewers. I mean, I can have 2 different sizes, of course. But this is pretty much it, guys. I like. Ooh, I got those big piece of plantains, but those not gonna look as, appetizing on here. I want it to still look kind of cute. There you go. That's a finished result. Now, again, I'm thinking about putting fruit on here too. So maybe pineapple or kiwi, maybe mandarin orange or something may go good with this. You know how you have that tropical feel? Because that's exactly what it is. It's a tropical feel, tropical dish. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to add the plantain. I'm going to put some okra. Everything tastes good too. I already sampled everything, of course, naturally. I'm going to put 3 here. I'm again, this is good to experiment with. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And you can make the codfish cakes whatever shape you like. Round. You can make them smaller. Want to make smaller sizes? You could do that. Let me add some more. Now, these were extra ripe plantains, so that's why they're like moist, wet, basically. But, I like them like that. But, you can have them a little more, less ripe or more coarse when you're making them. And that way they can stay together. So they'll be nice and round and more, I say, shapely if they're not too ripe. Let's go to the okra. I like that. You could just take it and start eating it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty. That looks like an island. Like an island dish. So I'm just going to keep making these, guys. But I just wanted you to see one of my creations. You're the first one to see this. I have not shown anybody this. I only talked to one person about making this dish. And so, there you go. They're coming together. And they'll be done. It's done, guys. Look at that. That looks so tasty. Ooh. Look at that. Different. Next time, put some fruit up in there. Already. Oh, my gosh. I'm so hungry now. I'm ready to bite.